Hey, what's up everyone? It's Brad here again. How you doing? I'm at the MRT station down at Sukhumvit. I'm going to head down to a little place called Saphan Lek and we're going to go for a wander down there. Saphan Lek's kind of Chinatown adjacent, so that's probably where we're going to end up. What road am I on? I'll let you know what road I'm on in a sec. A lot of gun shops around here too. I've got to be careful what's in the background. Idiots. That ain't bad. It's a bit loud, I need to get somewhere quiet. This place looks good. Okay, so this is Mega Plaza. This is like Bangkok's one-stop shop for vintage and second-hand toys and collectibles and video games, cameras and more. A lot more brand new stuff there as well. Model cars, model planes, model motorbikes, radio controlled version, ones you put together yourself, all the models. Doraemon, 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 Doraemon. Got all the anime stuff you'd expect to find, you know, a lot of One Piece, a lot of Dragon Balls. What's the other one that's out at the moment? Kaiju number 8. Yeah, they got the Marvel, they got the DC, bunch of Godzilla. Moving! That is one expensive card. Mate, nothing costs more than Pokemon cards. What the hell? Traffic! So back in the day, this area was not one of the prettiest. The canal basically had a roof over it, and it was a bit grubby, so it would have been a lot like, I guess, living inside a colon. Wouldn't have been pleasant, but check it out now, it's pretty cool. There's a ton of restaurants on both sides that are all starting to fire up now. It's Friday night, so she gets busy on Friday. Indian food. Oh yeah. That's the first Indian food I had in a while. Delicious. Tony's restaurant. Get on it, mate. Right, if we head back that way, you'll get to the Sky Park that goes over the Chao Phraya River. A good place to see the sunset, and a great spot if you like huffing on traffic. Nothing like bonging on some exhaust. Alright, so we're going to make our way down Yaowarat Road. We're going to head down through Chinatown. See how that looks tonight. It's Friday night, it's probably going to be mad. Hello Kitty rules, okay? If you don't agree with me, you're wrong. Obviously there aren't a whole lot of facilities along the Klong because Dunny bus. Right, back on track. Just got sidelined by an art market that's dropped in for a couple of days. Now we'll head to Chinatown. Alright, so I'm at the top of Yaowarat Road, coming up to Chinatown now. Right, we're in Chinatown. They got all the street food here. All the street food. Okay, this place is busy as hell in the evening. Oh, I just breathed in some chili fumes. Oh. Oh, well, Chinatown's mad. Very popular spot. You might want to get down a little bit earlier if you're wanting to get a seat for dinner. Otherwise, stick to food that's served on sticks. So I'm making my way to Walumpong station now. Going to call it for the night. Just got the notification that I've done my 15,000 steps for the day. I think I'm going to stick with this no plan, no problem vibe. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, get a little joy in your life. We all need it. I'm going to catch you on the flip-flop.